These can carry up to 2.5 tonnes at up to 53 mile an hour on land, and they can carry 2.5 tonnes at up to 13 kilometres an hour on water.
One makes me go faster.
While you're touring around North Queensland, you will see lots of interesting flowers, that a lot of which belong to the ginger family. You've seen the big beehive gingers and torch gingers and beautiful things like that. They're not native. But right next to us we have what is a native ginger. These are called blueberry ginger because of the colour of the berries on the top there. That's one of the native gingers. They're a lot less interesting, aren't they, than the torches and such. You can make jam out of the berries though. Yep. Oh, now, so did I actually tell you the berries tasted good? No. Did I? I just said you could make jam out of them, which means mixing them with a lot of sugar and boiling the hell out of it. Yeah. They don't actually taste great, but you can make jam out of them. Musky rat kangaroos. Rat kangaroos. The very first kangaroos were rat kangaroos 84 million years ago, and we still have them here in the rainforest. There's also what they call agile wallabies. Most of those vines are actually native pepper. I'll show you some of the pepper later on. The basket fern, and that little plant will grow right around the tree and end up looking like a basket. Now look across the gully, guys, in front of us. That looks a little bit different to what we've been driving through, doesn't it? You know why? Because we've been too close to the edge. When you make an edge in rainforest, by cutting some of it down, you get more damage along the edge. And you've got to go in half a kilometre before you pass the real damage point. And what you're looking at across the road there, across the river, across the gully, is proper, undamaged, tropical, wetland, mesophyll, pine forest. The forest around here averages 30 metre, 100-foot forest. Floating yet. The back wheels are still on the bottom. The front's floating because I'm light. Not really. What we're going to do is just have a look around down here. It's around here, it's the easiest to spot the lizards and snakes and things, and the edge. We've probably driven past snakes and lizards that I did not see. They're easy to spot down here, so we'll be looking for them. And if you see anything that looks interesting, yell at me. There's nearly 900 species of tree alone in the forest around Kuranda. And then you've got the orchids, the ferns, the palms. I mentioned before about working here 37.5 years. We can walk into the forest and still find something I've never seen before. And that happens every few weeks. Walk in and find something I've never seen before. Now there's some unusual animals over there. We could crash into them. You guys grab the cameras, watches, wallets and plastic all over the plugs. Smile and wave. You're going to be in there. Happy holidays, man. I mentioned the fruit that was poisonous and tastes bad. That's a little one just sticking out the water on the palm over there. They get a bit bigger than that. They're always spiky and ugly looking, and it really does taste terrible, but it'll keep you alive. You remember the old Paul Hogan quote from Crocodile Dundee? It tastes like, but you can live on it. It's true. There's a lot of things like that. It's true. They taste bad. Some things taste good. There's plenty of good in here too, but a lot of it tastes bad. Do you want to moon them? Hands up for mooning. 3 of us. That'll be a really dull moon. Okay, we get that idea too. You guys are much fun, you know. Now this is a little stream and that's a dam wall. That area where we started the tour 100 years ago was coffee plantation. That's why the forest was cut down up the top there. This water was for the coffee trees. And they had coffee trees in the ground in 1891 after knocking the rainforest down by hand. What a job that would be, eh? Can you imagine clearing the forest by hand? Incredible. Dry season is October, November, December, and when we say dry season it can be very hot and dry. The highest temperatures recorded in Cairns and Kuranda occurred in November, not in the summertime. 24 years ago, 40 degrees centigrade, and still 76% humidity. 40. Is that hot? Wondering how deep the water is?
How deep is the water?
You got the choice. You can jump that way or you can look that way and you'll see how deep the water is. That's a good sized dam, isn't it, looking down there?
Wow.
Bananas, except that stem's already made its full quota of bananas. The actual flour, you can shave it or grate it and use it in salads, or you can boil it or bake it, and they're really good to eat and they're good for you. Vegetable flavour, not banana flavour. Instead of growing the coffee these days, we grow tropical fruits, which we use in the cafe and restaurant. Up on the hill there's cleared areas where some customers throw spears and boomerangs, and out the back we grow gum trees for boring little koalas. We utilise 22 acres of the property. As I said, hope you enjoyed, hope you found it interesting.